What happened?
It good.
What happened?
It good.
Who did that?
Mommy.
What'd she do?
Good.
She cut your hot dog? And that ruined it? I bet you it's still good. You gonna try it? You gonna try it?
I don't want it good.
Why? Do you like to pick it up? Oh.
You can still pick it up.
Yep, pick it up. That's the only way to
Someone needs to
feed
beat that dog to keep him quiet, huh?
Pick it up like
What's this guy
and
doing?
make it wiggle. I bet it'll wiggle funny.
Looks like you're eating
I bet
pretty
it'll
good. You ate
dance.
almost
If
all
you
your
pick it up,
meatballs.
it's gonna
Corn looks
dance.
alright. You gotta eat
That
some more
hot dog's
corn.
gonna dance when you
What's
pick
your
it up.
broccoli doing off your plate?
It's gonna dance.
Okay, we'll put it back on your plate.
It's gonna wiggle and dance.
Here.
And that's the part that I don't like and I can't eat.
What?
Well, the green part that's at the bottom, I can't eat.
You like the bottom part of the broccoli, not the top? That's weird. You okay, Brax?
This hot dog's gonna
Better?
dance. When he picks it up, it's gonna wiggle. It's gonna wiggle.
What about Briggy? What's Briggy doing? You eating? Oh, good boy. What are you eating? Mac and cheese, chicken nuggets, and corn? Alright. You eating like a good boy? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'll glue it back together. Let's glue it.
And nails.
All glued back together.
Is it better now?
Oh my God.
Wiggle it. It's dancing.
It's dancing, Max. It's dancing.
Should I go make you another one?